Hey guys, Kasim here. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about why building a brand is the best and most sustainable way to rank your site in 2019 and even moving into 2020. So I'll also go over how to go about making yourself a brand in Google's eyes, showing them that this is a real, legitimate company. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's get into it. I'm going to hop into my computer and I'll show you guys in PowerPoint, go over every little detail here and run you guys through it. So without further ado, let's get into it and I'll see you guys there. All right guys, so building your brand for SEO. Let's get right into it. Why do you need to build your brand for SEO? That's the first question a lot of you might have. So it's pretty simple. Look at the sites that are doing the best in the search engine results pages, right? So what are some of these sites? Let's say for the fitness niche, you have like bodybuilding.com would be one of them, right? So that's a big authority site. You know, these like a directory site like Yelp, that's one of the biggest brands, if not the biggest, for local SEO, because they built that brand as a directory site and they have a lot of businesses listed in there. And just because of that huge brand that they've built, they're ranking for pretty much any local business term you search, they're going to be ranking for it. So it's pretty self-explanatory in that sense of it. Like if you have a big brand, it's a lot easier to rank. Like Yelp doesn't even link to these random inner pages that they have, like chiropractor in North Carolina. I don't know. Sorry for anyone who lives in North Carolina. But anyway, these random like small towns of 10,000 people that they're ranking for, like they have no links to them. So Google values authority over pretty much everything else. But of course, relevancy is up there too. It's really authority and relevancy. So if you're relevant, which you should be, there's no reason you shouldn't have a relevant site, because you're trying to rank for, say, like chiropractor in, Chicago, then you already have that relevancy there. But you're going to try to build the authority next. That's what comes next. So how do you go about building your brand, right, for SEO purposes? So the no-brainers, citations, social signals, press releases help too. And then even brand mentions can help from legitimate and high-quality sites. Ideally, you want the link in there, obviously, but just having your brand mentioned, especially in local areas, then a lot of people are going to go and search you up, and branded searches help you a lot. So when you have those branded searches, Google sees, okay, these guys are getting, especially if you're a local site, right? These guys are getting searches from this area. That means that they're relevant to that area and they are somewhat an authority, because people don't just search random sites that mean nothing. They search sites that have some sort of value to them or mean something to them, or they want to get some value from. So that's why getting mentioned by these legitimate high quality sites, local sites in your area, they can really help. If they're read by actual people, then they can really help you get some more traction and build somewhat of an authority in that area or in that niche, whatever it may be. And having a social media presence helps a lot as well. This is something that a lot of SEOs overlook, is the social media presence, because they think, okay, I'll just build links, I'll just add high quality content, and then boom, we're done, right? But that's not the case. You want to have a Facebook page that has some sort of traction, or it even depends on the niche. Sometimes an Instagram page may be more beneficial, but whatever makes sense for your niche, having everything from a social media aspect is very important to have as well. And then, obviously you want to be building links constantly, and high quality links at that. Even if you're using PBNs, not even just guest posting or, more the white hat route, if you're using PBNs, having like branded anchor text, that is huge for not just PBNs but guest posts as well. And then with the PBNs, you can maybe do some exact match or partial matches, of course, but having more branded anchor text helps, because it's showing Google, okay, these guys are getting links to XYZ chiropractor. That means that they are a authority. They're an actual, that's their brand name, and they're getting linked to from all these different sites, 20, 30, 40, 100 different sites, right? So kind of, just want to again emphasize that building a brand is important for SEO, especially going into 2020 and beyond. You want to not just be mindlessly building links or just putting up some content that you think will rank. Not just that, but you want to look long term. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. If you have any questions, let me know. If you think I missed anything, just ask a question. I'll love to go over it and go into more depth if that's needed. But without, I don't want to rant too much here, so I'm going to end the video there. Again, any questions, ask in the comments or ask in the Facebook group, and join the Facebook group if you're not in there already. Thanks, guys.